Welcome STEM scientists. In today's activity we're going to be making a lava lamp using basic household ingredients. What we're going to need for today's experiment is some vegetable oil, white vinegar, baking soda, some food dye, and then also you're going to need a glass jar. Tall and skinny works pretty well. A small cup to measure and mix some vinegar and some food dye in, a spoon, and a tablespoon measure. The first thing I'm going to do is take a couple tablespoons of our baking soda and put it into the glass jar. Mine has a little bit of clumps, so I'm making sure to kind of mush the clumps out. Two tablespoons. I'm going to shake it so it settles down to the bottom. And next I'm going to take our cooking oil, and I'm going to put about a cup in because that will fill up a lot of my jar. Just like that. Now the next thing I want to do is pour a couple tablespoons of vinegar and about 6 or 8 drops of food dye and mix them up in my small cup. I think I'm going to use blue today. That's about 7 drops. I'm going to give that a minute just to mix in. I brought a spoon out just in case it doesn't completely mix up, so give it a little bit of a stir. And now I'm going to watch the magic happen. So this vinegar I'm going to pour in, and as it goes down through the oil, it's going to mix with the baking soda that we've put at the bottom. And that's going to create a chemical reaction that allows it to bubble up to the top. And as the bubbles at the top start clumping together, they're going to sink back down again as well. I'm going to pour about half of this in to start. Another thing that's a little bit of fun you can do is bring out a flashlight and experiment to see how this looks with a little bit of light behind it or under it. It can be kind of cool sometimes. Now this experiment will typically keep going for about 20 minutes. Eventually your bubbles that are rising will get smaller and smaller. One of the things I like to do before calling it done is I like to go in and stir it a little bit and really mix up any of that baking soda that hasn't had a chance to come in contact with the vinegar, and give it another final couple minutes of exciting lava land.